Now today's topic is interest on drawing. Before the knowing of interest on drawing or interest charging on drawing, how we are going to withdraw money as a drawing from the firm? First we are going to know about that. Many way to drawing the money. Many way to drawing the money. Sometimes partners regular drawing the monies month wise. Sometimes any fixed amount drawing the money. Sometimes some interval is there, 3 months after 4 months after 5th month, and sometimes irregular. So we are going to just divide these all things in three category. One, irregular means no system is there. No system means maybe they are going to withdraw on 1st January, then 1st March, 31st August, 31st September, 15 August. Means no sequence is there or no system is there. Irregular. We are going to just take the drawing. Second, regular. In the regular system, we are going to divide in 4 parts. 12 months regularly, 9 months regularly, 6 months regularly, and 4 months. It means quarterly. And last system is fixed amount. Only 1 or 2 amount we are going to withdraw for the whole year, for the during the year. So we are going to start one by one everything. First, during the year, if any single amount withdrawn by the partners and during the year, so we are going to calculate the interest on drawing like that. Amount into rate upon 100 into 1 upon 2. It means if any single amount or any during the year amount is given for the withdrawal, then we are going to calculate the interest on drawing for the 6 month. 6 month means 1 by 2 year. Okay, beta? We are going to calculate only for the 6th month. Clear? Clear or not? If any single amount is there or during the year amount is given, then we are going to calculate interest on drawing only for the 6th month. Clear? Next. Second, regular. Because irregular is the one another method. So we are going for the regular method. In this regular way, we are dividing for the 12 months regularly, 9 months regularly, 6 months and 4. Okay? After that, maybe regularly 12 months in the beginning of the month. Regularly 12 months in the mid of the month. Regularly 12 months in the end of the month. Because of this revision, so I am going with this system. Okay, directly come on to that table that also I will tell you all. It's a table by which we can easily calculate or knowing the month, how many months we are taking for the calculation of interest on drawing. Okay, beta? How many months you are going to take? So for beginning, 12 month beginning, 12 month beginning, we are going to calculate 6 months by 2 months interest on drawing. Okay, beta? If continuously 12 months, we are going to take the drawing or withdraw the drawing beginning, we are going to calculate for the 6 month drawing. Mid 6, 8, 5 on. Okay, beta? It's a very easy table. By this table, you can easily calculate the interest on drawing. No need to go for the other system. It's a very easy system. Then for 9 months, 5, 4 1 by 2, 4. 3 and half, 3, 2 and half. It's a separately. Okay, beta? It means on the basis of that we are going to calculate the interest on drawing. As like that, if 9 month drawing is there for the mid, 9 month drawing in mid, then we are going to calculate the 4.5 month interest on drawing. Okay, beta? As like that, if 12 months regularly 1000. Okay, beta? So then first see the formula. Amount into month. Month means 12, 9, 6 or 4 into beginning, mid or end upon 12 into rate upon. Okay, this formula we are going to utilize. Okay, beta. Just see amount, maybe 1000 is amount. If 12 month, then 12 into its beginning, then 6 upon 12 into rate, maybe rate 10% upon 100. Okay, on this way we are going to calculate the interest on drawing. Okay, beta, clear? This way is clear or not?
Yes.
It's very easy, dear beta. In last class I was telling about this. It's very easy. How to maintain, how to remember this table, just see it again. Only remember this. Okay? 12 month, continuously 12 month, beginning 6.5. Remember or not? Remember na? Then come the downside half less. And go for the left side 1.5 less. Full table is ready. Downside half less 6, then half. This side 5, 1.5 less 5, then again start. This side 1.5, then again start. It's separately. Okay, it is separately. By this you can easily remember this table. No need to take the tension about the how many months we are going to take. Only make this table in your copy 1 or 2 times with your settlement, as like that again. Only write these things and then start the others. Half, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, minus. By that you can easily remember this system. Very easy. Okay, clear? Clear, beta? Okay, last. Addendum. That is also like a product method. That name is product method. Okay, beta? Just see how we are going to calculate. As like that, it is given first Jan 800. First April. First September 1000. 31st December 2000. Like that is given. It's addendum, fully addendum. No system is there. Then if closing is March, okay beta, then we are going to calculate the month from date of drawing to closing date. From date of drawing to closing date. So 1st April to 31st March, beta, how many months? 12. Okay. Then 1st September to 31st March, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. How many months? 7 months. And then 31st December to 3 months. Then product amount. Okay. 12 into 8, 7 into 8, 1000, 7000, 6000, 12 into 8. Huh? 96. Okay, very good. Then total amount is? Huh? 22. Okay, and then our formula is product amount into 1 upon 12 into rate upon 100. It means 22,600 into 1 upon 12. Maybe 10% rate is there. Then what amount is coming? That is the interest on drawing. Okay, beta? Clear? How to calculate the interest on drawing is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
All?
Yes, sir.
All three methods? Now we are coming on the questions. One question for the each topic. I am going to solve. Okay, beta? Okay. Read the question.
Charu is a partner in a firm. She withdraw the following amount during the year ended on 31st March AD. May 1st, 20,000.
First May
20,000.
20,000. It's a amount. Okay.
July 31st, 10,000.
First July
31st.
10.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
30 September, 30,000.
30,000 next.
30 November, 40,000.
30 November 30 again.
40.
Only this.
1 Jan, 20,000.
First Jan
20,000. 31st March, 25,000.
Okay. Then month.
Interest on drawing is to be charged.
Then closing month beta 31st March.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first May to 31st March. How many months beta?
11.
11. Okay. Then after July, August, 1st August to 31st March.
8.
1st September, October to
6.
after November, December 4.
3.
Jan 3
0.
0. Then multiply. Okay. Okay. Product 2 lakh 2 lakh 20,000 then
80,000.
and then
60. 0.
Total
7.
exact.
Yes, sir.
Then your formula 7 lakh into 1 upon 12 into 10 upon
No, sir. 9%.
9% is there.
Yes, sir.
9%. Okay.
5,000
5,000.
250.
Okay. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Go for the next. Where the monthly basis is there. During the year you already solved. Before this type of questions. Question number 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Next.
A, B, and C are partners in a firm. They are informed that A draw 10,000 from the firm in the beginning of every month.
Okay. B.
B draw 10,000 from the firm at the end of every month.
Okay.
C draw 10,000 from the firm in the middle of every month. Interest on drawing is to be charged at
Beginning. It was this into 12, this into 12, this into 12. Into beginning 6.5 upon 12 into rate of
8%.
8 upon 100. Here again, mid in 5.5 upon 12 into 8 upon 100. Mid 6 upon 12 into 8 upon 100. You can calculate or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. On this way we are going to calculate the interest on drawing. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sit.